I'd like to show you how easy it is to show or hide any of these modules based on what you need for configuring your actual protocol messages. So while I'm in this message, I just go to the Dock Settings menu at the top and go to View, and you'll see each of those modules that's visible has a check mark next to it. So I can disable or enable the visibility of those modules right here. I can hide all. And then, like, if they're all hidden, I can unhide all and they'll all be visible again. So just for an example, if I know I'm not planning to add any registers, topic variables, or error detection codes to the messages for a protocol I'm working on, I can simply deselect those and they won't be visible. So I can go to deselect register numbers, deselect topic variables, and deselect error detection codes. And as you can see, that frees up a fair amount of screen real estate, making my editing of the received and response messages in my protocol messages much easier because I've got a lot more screen real estate to work with. And if I'm not going to be using those components anyway, what's the point of displaying the modules for them? Additionally, along these same lines, if there's a specific layout you prefer to use with only a certain handful of specific modules visible, we do give you the ability to set up the layout to your preference and then save that layout. You can save it as either a default or a user-defined layout that can be loaded at any time. So again, that's done through the Dock Settings, and you go to the Dock Layout menu. This current layout where I've hidden register numbers, topic variables, and error detection codes, if I wanted to save that as a layout, I can either save it as the default, which means that's what's going to be visible every time I open the Visual Protocol Editor, or I can do Save As New. I can save that off as a name. These save as a .config file, and I can put that in any location I'd like to. And then at any point in the future, either on this same machine or a different machine even, I can then go to Dock Settings, Dock Layout, and go to the Open, and I can browse to that .config file, and I can load my specific layout. So just makes it super easy to have that and move it between machines and have your layout exactly the way it makes it easier for you to configure your protocol messages.